Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, which is basically a solar-powered outdoor LED lighting set with a passive infrared sensor, so as you walk past it, it turns on. I live in Wales, which doesn't have the best amount of sunlight, so hopefully this will work for me, but I'm not, I don't know. Now, just to be completely transparent, the company reached out to me and gave this to me free of charge, but there is no... I've got to do it the best I can. I've got to tell you exactly this, that and the other. This is my own review, and if I don't like it, I will tell you, which has happened in the past. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. Thank you guys so much, especially Darren. I really appreciate everything you guys have done. You've kept the channel going, and it's incredible. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so they reached out to me and they said, could I use this for anything? And damn right I can. I've got a big project coming up and this would be so handy. But this is a 240 LED solar light. It's model JY2318A and the brand is AIXPI. I don't know how you say that. And we're just going to have a quick look at it. Please leave the lamp in the sun for more than 8 hours before its first use. That's fine. I won't turn it on until we've got it into the sunlight for a bit anyway. But let's unpack it and have a look at it. Well, first things first. It's quite an array of LEDs, isn't it? That's pretty cool. So obviously that's how it goes, and it's got its PIR here, and it's got different doojits, but we obviously need to get this out in the sun first. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to let it charge up in the sunlight for a bit, and we'll see how bright it is later on. And hopefully it's a banger, because this will be so useful. You got a clip to clip it onto whatever you need to. You screw this down and then you clip it in. You have screws and plugs, and then you have the instructions. First thing, to see how good the instructions are. Very important. If they're written poorly, then you know that, well, not know that the object's poor, but, sometimes a very poorly written instruction manual is a very poor product. Let's have a look then. So it's in English and German from das look of it. And I'll just have a quick read through it. This is written in proper English. This isn't like translated from some other poorly written thing, so that's a really good start. Yeah, and it shows you all the bits and bobs. There's an email address for support, and it's a 12-month warranty on it. Okay, when it's at night or lower than 20 lux, it will basically the PIR will activate if someone walks through, and the lights will go on for around 25 to 30 seconds. Now, I will say, be very careful with this light. It is very bright. I turned it on as I got it out of the box. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to let it charge for 8 hours. But I turned it on, not even thinking, and it was bright. It's blindingly bright, so just be careful. Let's have a look. Okay, you've got 90 degrees motion left and right, and 360 degrees with the twisting. The PIR's got a 160 degree angle, and it works up to 15 meters. Okay, let's get this installed outside. I'm actually going to put it on my fence at the moment because I've actually got a place for this, but I haven't built the thing that I've got the place for this yet. So I would like to get this all set up and have a look at it first, and we can go from there. So let's go put this up and see how easy it is to clip this on. Just to show you how bright these actually are, I'm going to just quickly whop them on, and my camera will automatically start trying to avoid being all brightified. But here we go. And I've just blinded myself again. And that's basically, they'll go on, and then they in this light, that's them saying that they're on, but they're not on because they will only work in night time. So yeah, let's get them put outside. This is a fairly straightforward installation. I'm just using my set square and my marking knife just to be able to mark out a simple straight line, and my drill to get it, the screws drilled in or screwed in, whichever way you want to speak English. The reason there's 4 plugs and were 4 screws is because you can actually screw the light directly to the wall rather than using the clip on and clip off bit, but obviously I'm using the clip. Okay, I'm really happy with it. I'm more happy than I thought, to be honest. When I first got it, I thought, well, this is something I can actually use. There's loads of different projects I've got coming up that are outside, and I've actually got a big gazebo thing coming to put up outside so I can actually work during the day and night, out of the rain, etc. So I thought when they offered this to me, great idea, brilliant, I could really use this, but it works really, really well. The fact that I can aim the lights in different directions means that when I'm putting the rubbish out at night, I can literally walk down the whole garden, no need for a torch anymore. I used to have a torch under my arm while holding things, and it was a pain in the bum. But yeah, works really, really well, so I'm really happy with it. All the links for it are in the description if you'd like to give it a go. And yeah, I highly advise it. Anyway, thank you so much to you for watching. Thank you to my patrons. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.